Welcome to Tips and Tricks Thursday. Today we're talking 5 quick tips for time management. Tip number 1, create a routine and create it early at the beginning of the semester. That way you can have time to adjust it. It'll help reduce stress about when and how to fit in homework and studying on top of school and work. Tip number 2, identify and avoid distractions. Successful time management in college starts with understanding time mismanagement. Even the smallest distractions, when compounded throughout the day, can add up to significant time loss, like social media, texting, video games, and those binge-worthy Netflix shows. Tip number 3, master the art of saying no. You're on a mission to strike a balance between earning your degree and having a life, and it's easy to take on too much. There'll be times when it's in your best interest to turn down a social invitation to complete an assignment. Tip number 4, use schedules and checklists. The best way to manage your time is to see a visual of what you're working with. Use a weekly planner to block off time for class, work, activities, studying, and then you can see what time is left over for social events. Or use a checklist to list all your important due dates and deadlines. Tip number 5, visit the Academic Success Center. The JWU Academic Success Center isn't just for tutoring, they also offer academic success coaching and various student workshops, all with the goal of ensuring your success as a student while at JWU.